Hi everyone, in this occasion now we're gonna pass the title and the test that we have on the tester area to this area over here. It's going to be easy, but at the same time I don't want you to be overconfident, okay? So let's just try to go to the code. And we're gonna go, for example, that's it. Now I'm gonna just code, and as we have checked everything that we needed, what we need to do now is just to practically copy and paste in certain way. So what I'm gonna do is just to go to the index of the simpliciary, and I'm gonna change the extension to PHP. By the way, there is another way of doing this with the fetch API, but right now we're gonna do it faster, okay? By the way, here is even that way. Here is a get data. We could just make an API and get the data and put it over there. But for us to test the aesthetics or a structure of the code and the output of it faster, is better that we just copy and paste the broth or the return of the data that we got on the tester. So let's do it. We're gonna copy here, we're gonna index.php, and we're gonna go here. This is kind of super common to place here the connection, but I'm gonna remove the double point, sorry, and I'm gonna put here the place where actually it is located. It is located on API / private / connection. We can erase the last name that we got over there. It was the same, but just in case, you know. And now let's go again to the tester, and believe it or no, we also need I was about to say the style, but no, the style that we got over there is better than here. So let's just copy this part here. We just copy, Control C, and on here we're gonna go down, and let's see. You see here it says deity text, right? We're just gonna go copy and paste, just like that. Copy and paste, as simple as that. Because this is PHP. I'm going to tell you one secret. There are two ways of developing on PHP. This is known as the procedural way. Being honest, it's not my favorite, but it's the easiest. And when you want to make a project fast and you are struggling much with it, the best decision is just to do it in the procedural way. Don't try to be too wise when you can just do something, work in a way that at the end is just going to work. I mean, don't complicate yourself, but that's what I'm trying to say, okay? Now you see these two prompts over here. I'm just gonna place those prompts where they correspond. For example, the title corresponds in where? In the title. The title is actually over here. So no, it's not there. Let's see. What is the title? Here, text area. It's not there. Oh, it's exactly on the text. Well, what I'm gonna do is just to copy and paste on the text area itself. you see the text area? I'm gonna make a space over here, and I'm gonna paste the title over there, and also I'm gonna paste also I'm gonna paste this. It got kind of freeze or something like that. I don't know. See, let's paste. Okay, sorry, I got to paste it again. Now let's remove this, and let's remove this. There you go. Here is the text area. Here is the text space. Here is the while that we got in the beginning. Let's remove this from here so we don't have any error. And now let's make an end to this, just like this. PHP and while. That's everything in certain way. Believe it or no, that was everything we needed in certain way. Let me just make sure, for example, with the MySQL close and all those things, we could just copy this and paste it over here. Remember that I told you that I don't like it much, but as I said before, it's nothing like super bad to start with the procedural way. Actually, it's even normal to learn on the procedural way and to start on the procedural way. If you have a lot of time without coding, don't harm yourself, just start with the procedural way, for example. Let's refresh, and you can see that here is the diary text, but it's in the text area, not here down. Let's try to change that really quickly. It is just a matter of copying. You see this here? Just a matter of taking this and place it over down here. And that was everything. Now we're gonna just take this. That's it. Let's see. Yes, that's everything. Let's refresh. And the text is over there. Oh, we got it. Sample text. And it's missing. Let's see. It's missing something. And it's that. That's weird. It is outside of the place. Oh, it's on the sample. Wow, it's down over there. Oof. It's very far from where I put it. Let's place the connection just at the end of the code, okay? At the end here. PHP. That's it. Even though it looks kind of like if it is not PHP, believe me, it is PHP. But just to make sure, let's just put it at the end, at the very end. Okay. I don't know why it's not. Okay, now it's there. Okay, let's go over there. Oops, sorry, I am having some errors here, but these errors are coming because the file now is PHP. Let's see. And in certain way I didn't close the while, so let's just copy this while and let's place it over down here. No, see, each section is one diary item. Okay, and let's close with this space here, this sample test over here, and let's close the while. I think that it is closed. Oh no, it is not. So we are just needing to do the close of the while over here, and while. And let's see. By the way, this is closed here. So we just can copy and paste or cut and paste, and that's it. Let's remove this from here. We don't need it anymore, but there is something else. You see this other while up on here? It needs to be closed, if I am not wrong. And yes, it is being closed. It's being closed down here, then while, and yes, it's okay. But we're supposed to put this not there, but here, and that's it. Okay, see you in the next video. I hope that you have learned. Let's save it. And by the way, we are missing something, and is that, let's see. Oh yes, it's the PHP operator tag that is supposed to be over here. Now let's check, and you can see that the test now is this one, but it is being replaced from the one that was from JavaScript. So we can just remove or comment this line, and we will have the test from PHP. Remember that Jesus Christ of Nazareth loves you much more than my guitar. See you in the church. Tomorrow is Saturday. By the way, this is not the date of today, okay? Today is 5 of April, if I'm not wrong. See you then. Oh no, 1st of May. Well, bye bye.